Hi guys, my name is Josh Gandhi and welcome back to my new video. This video is especially for engineers as I am going to give you a tour of an engineering workshop. One more thing, 70% of viewers have not subscribed my channel, so I would request you subscribe my channel and also like and share my channel. Thank you. So guys, I am here at Prakash Industries, which is located in Kabilpur GIDC. You can see the workshop behind me in the background. So let's meet our host who have invited me by watching my previous video of Nirvana Home Automation. So guys, he is Nilam Mistry, my host for today, also my childhood friend, and he is a young entrepreneur working in his family business. He invited me to promote his business and also to give some extra information about how the works are done in engineering workshops. So let's see how they are doing work, and they are mainly expertise in manufacturing timing pulleys and gears. So this industry was found in 1962 by late Khandubai Mistry in Jalalpur. So this industry has been working from last 60 years and have done a tremendous work in the field of engineering. So after setting up this whole factory in Kabilpur GIDC Navsari on plot number 183, so now let's start our tour and let's see how the jobs are manufactured from raw material to the final product. First, let me give you the list of processes and the names of machines in which the raw material undergoes its process before getting dispatched. So this is the very first stage. This is a Denso machine and raw material is going to cut and will be in a small pieces. After cutting, it took a shape like this. This is the actual size of a job. So this is the CNC machine and this is the second stage. Now job is going to enter for turning and facing. This is how it works. It's fully automated. Program is set and it will cut automatically into its desired shape and size. This CNC machine has a capacity of producing more than 150 to 200 jobs per day, means 12 hours. So it's all high duty machines here in the factory. Now moving towards the third stage, this is a vertical milling center. Here drilling is done. It is also a fully automated machine. You can see the box in which program has set it and now it's working on its own. So this is how drilling is done. You can see it is fully automated. This comes at the fourth stage and you can see this is a taper machine. We get this type of output. You can see the holes. There are 3 holes. So we get it from a taper machine. Then it comes on a fifth stage, which is like this. So this is before taper boring and this job is after taper boring. So the job is converted from this to this. After taper boring process, this is the male part and this is the product which you get. So, and now this one is the female part. This is a taper lock. Before machining, this is how it looks as the raw. After machining, it takes a shape like this, which get fixed into the male part, and whole job is get attached into the machine. These all machines you are seeing behind are all heavy machines and can produce more than 60 jobs in only 12 hours. So this is how the ring is fixed on the job for the final output. Firstly, it is heated properly to become soft, and then it is easily fixed on the job. Yeah. So the ring is too heated, and as it becomes soft, it is pressed from the upper side. So guys, this is the raw material which is cut in proper shape and size, and this is a final product after undergoing several processes. Now I am going to show you the most important things which is exactly behind me. It is called chips, which we get from the unused material of the jobs. So we have to take a special care of these chips, as it can cause a severe damage to your body if you don't take care of it. So guys, we have come to the end of our video. If you still have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it and also like and share to the people who are interested in it. Thank you.